Found DEP files in an older Visual C++ project directory. These track file dependencies for the build system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Visual C++ dependency files are and how they relate to your project compilation process. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like DEP. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. DEP files are dependency tracking files generated by Microsoft Visual C++ during the build process. They contain lists of file dependencies including header file inclusions, library references, and resource file dependencies used by the build system to determine which source files need recompilation when project files change. Visual C++ DEP dependency files use a plain text format listing source file paths with their dependent header files, library imports, and resource references. Each entry maps a source file to its chain of include file dependencies, enabling the incremental build system to detect changes requiring recompilation. Microsoft Visual Studio is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the DEP format. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows previews the source code, but its execution must be delegated to the scripting engine. Begin the search for the correct application association. Right-click the DEP file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Visual Studio first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn DEP files. If the DEP file won't open, don't panic. A format as specific as DEP will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, understanding DEP files. DEP files are automatically generated by the Visual C++ build system and do not need to be edited manually. They are recreated during each full build and updated during incremental builds. The dependency information ensures that changing a header file triggers recompilation of all source files that include it either directly or transitively. Next, regenerating dependencies. If you experience build issues where changes are not being detected correctly, delete the DEP file and perform a full rebuild. In Visual Studio, select Build then Rebuild Solution to regenerate all dependency information from scratch. This resolves stale dependency tracking that may cause incorrect incremental build behavior. Finally, working with modern projects. Modern Visual Studio projects using MS Build and VCXPROJ format handle dependencies internally without separate DEP files. If migrating a legacy project, convert it to the current project format using Visual Studio's migration wizard. The modern build system tracks dependencies automatically with improved accuracy and performance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.